How do they have lights in a parking lot, yo? This is the parking lot, yo. Like, I haven't even gotten anywhere and they have lights, traffic signal in a parking lot. What the hell? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out East County, but yeah, at Montclair place. They got a mall here. Have to be out here for work, so figured I'd check this place out along with the Champs outlet. Let's go see what they got. Was gonna try to hit up as many outlets as I can this weekend, but yeah, not really working out like that because I gotta go to work. But yeah, let's go see what's up here. Sure, they got plenty of sneaker shops, right? I haven't been out here in I think like over a year. All right, see what they got. All right, first store I found, Shoe Palace. Let's start here. Let's see what they got. Their Jordan wall right here. Got mixture of men's Jordans and then kids. Grade school right there. These bad boys just came out. I don't know. It was this past week. I don't remember what day it was. It's all right. It's all right. The leathers, all right. Color, decent. They're cool. I skipped them. I'm not gonna lie, I skipped them. Is that Mace in the background? Legacy 312s. Damn, this song reminds me of high school. All right, dude, got these bad boys. These are all in the grade school. Got stuff, I guess. Grade school exclusive color right here. Like, kind of like this tumbled leather, better than the men's 5 that was over there. And then they got the dope wallpaper. I didn't think too many places had that. I know old Shoe Palace are the only ones that have that. Still think that's the dopest freaking wallpaper around. And then in grade school, they still got these as well. Man, dude, I know a ton of you guys got juked out when they came out with the mockings of these. So this is the tap on this is way low. Usually it's like right there. That's great. Okay. But yeah, I'm just not feeling these. Not a fan. This is the grade school version. They are out of the men, so I guess they just sell out. Okay. Tons of stuff on sale in the Adidas section, but we've seen these on sale at plenty of Shoe Palaces. These top 10s go for $60. Normally 90, so not the craziest savings. Yeah, these also on sale, $50. Not the first time they do got these. These are the Shoe Palace exclusive of the Forum lows. These are dope. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of do think that the aged look is kind of getting overdone, but these are dope. The materials better than the typical Forums, because the Forums usually are pretty mediocre. Like you could tell this is nice and tumbled right here, and it's just I don't know, it's just softer. It's softer. But yeah, these are dope. Like a subtle little change on them, the discoloration, and then also got the 1993. That is, I believe that's when Shoe Palace was first founded or first started. So yeah, that's dope. They also got the black ones. I just saw this on social media on their IG. Like, Shoe Palace does a really terrible job of kind of promoting like their collabs or, you know, their exclusive stuff. But yeah, these are fire. It only sold at Shoe Palace. These aren't as tumbled. The black one isn't as tumbled as the brown ones. But yeah, that's dope. That's dope. Yeah, you can see the difference. Like right here, this is just like a rougher leather. That's just the regular black one. And the Shoe Palace one, just smoother, nicer. Speaking of stuff on sale, not even a great transition, but yeah, these are $20. $20. The Los Angeles Jumpman shirts. I do have one of these. I feel kind of dumb because I should have bought like 2 or 3. I got them for $10. I should have bought 2 or 3, but $20. Normally $35. $20, not bad. If you like these, check out your local Shoe Palace. These also on sale, $20. Like, it's not even marked as being on sale. Do they have the white ones too on sale? White ones not on sale. White ones still regular price. I don't have a white one. I need to get one of these white ones. I'll have to keep my eye on these. But yeah, the black ones on sale. That's fire. That is fire. Oh, these also on sale too. Maybe the white ones are on sale. Ooh, that's dope. I'm gonna have to check. Got some of the Club C Revenge on sale. These are pretty dope. Lakers colorway. Like a purple. Yeah, see, purple and gold. More yellow, but you know, but it is purple and gold. But Lakers standards, $40 for these. These normally go for $75, so Pretty solid sale, not bad, not bad. Can't wait till the 574s go back on sale. Remember, these were on sale all the time, and then they started getting a little more popular when the dad shoe thing came about, when New Balance got all popular with the 550s and stuff. $85 for those. All right, let's go check out some more spots. Got the Flex on sale right here for 70, but not much else. All right, let's go check out some more spots, see what's up. They actually have a Barnes & Noble here? This is like one of the few bookstores that I've seen. Wow. Wow, they actually still have a DVD section with that? Okay. Did I just say no to a Wetzel's Pretzels sample? Damn, you know I'm trying to watch what I eat now. Holy crap. That stuff is good. That stuff is good. Do you got a Pro in Sports? They've had some sales lately. I don't know. All right, really good selection of stuff. Really smart to kind of fold them in half like that. That's pretty smart. Can fit more jerseys in here. I don't see no sales though. No sales. I look at all the Lakers stuff. These are fire, dude. These are fire, but definitely not paying regular price. Regular price like 80 bucks. These are 75. Hope you guys saw some of my older videos, man, because we picked up some of these for hella cheap. I paid 50 for that. I think I paid, what, 65 for that one? Dang, these are dope for the women's right here. Pretty good selection. Got the Bulls for the women. Got the Grizzlies right here. Okay. These would look dope for the ladies. And also got Dallas Cowboys. Oh, what the hell? What the hell they got Cowboy stuff for, man? Nobody want no Cowboy stuff. 45 for these. These shorts go for what? Yeah, 80 for those. That's a lot. All right, dope stuff, dope selection, but no sales. All right, let's go. All right, they do got a Foot Locker at the House of Hoops too. Okay. Jordan shorts on sale. Dang, $29.99. Normally $45. So a little bit of a sale. Oh, these are all way too thin. Yeah, I'm just not a fan. But no, those are your things. Yeah. I so don't get the upside down thing. I don't know. But 35 for those. We got a couple of retros. Okay. One of the lows right here. The tie-dye lows. Seen these quite a few places. Still got a couple of these left over. Gotta show that 3M right there. And then these bad boys just released. Okay. Is it already yellowing? Is that already yellowing next to the Jumpman logo? Oh, I don't know about that. Yeah, because look, that's not yellowed around there. Ooh, I don't know about that, bro. Holy crap. Man, can I at least like wear it before it starts yellowing? LeBron lows on sale now. Normally $160, so $20 off. Got leather. Oh, got leather on basketball shoes. I haven't seen that too much lately. Got some of the other lows at regular price right here. And then $130s. Damn, I hope you guys saw my dunk video. I think I talked about some of these being on sale on the Nike website. They were down to $80. Like some of the like one or two other colorways. That was kind of crazy. But yeah, $190 down to $130. Not bad. This one also on sale. $150 for this one. Then the leopard cheetah looking thing right here going for regular price. Maybe it's a lion, right? Because he's the king. Bread colorway, one of the earlier ones. $150 for that one. And regular price for some of the other ones. Dang, I so regret not getting this backpack. This is the backpack that my kiddo loves. Go for $90. We saw these at Westlake for like $40, and I was like, I already got enough backpacks, but yeah, my kid already wants a new backpack. And then got these for $100. Could have got them for $100 at the Citadel, man. Wondering if I should have. These look clean, dude. Just on stuff going for $30. I like this baby blue one right here. These are fire, dude. I think I got too many hoodies right now, but these are fires. They don't have my size, fortunately. Yeah, but those are fire. Got the yellow ones, got red ones, got matching pants, and then the All Cities on your goodies right here. Okay. Got some dunks. Everybody's getting tired of dunks apparently. I don't know what college this resembles, but yeah, 8.5. $115 for these bad boys right here. Oh, what the hell? I've never seen this colorway of the Griffies. Oh, that's very interesting. $1.80 for those. They're here. Like that's like 10 times better looking right there. These have started to go down. One for my kiddo, but I don't know. Maybe if they keep going down. Yeah, normally 100 down to 70. Maybe if it goes down to like 60 or 50. Maybe 50. I'll pay 50 for these. He already got plenty of sneakers though, to be honest. Roma's on sale, and then even suede's. Okay. Normally 70, only $10 off. But sale is better than regular price at least, right? Okay. Then the MB1 still got these available. This is the only colorway though. Oh wait, never mind. Okay. $1.20 for those. That's pretty dope. All right, I think that's about it. All right, I think they got one more shop here. I think they got a Champs. Let's go look around. They did have a Lick downstairs, which is a resale shop. Then they have a Galleria. They got a couple of resale shops here. Damn, I don't see nobody in there. Okay, oh, I got 2 people in there plus a worker. All right, we focusing on retail right now because, yeah, man, I don't like the shops at the malls. I don't mind regular retail shops, but I'm just not a fan of them in the malls. So there's a Wetzel's Pretzels at the other side of the mall, and then there's one here too. And they got an Auntie Anne's. What the hell? I don't understand that. Or Auntie Anne. I don't know, whatever. But man, that's crazy. Two of the same restaurants, same place, or snack shops. I don't know. All right, I hate being unfamiliar with this mall because I'm just walking around. All right, there's the Champs. All right, here we go, and that looks like a sneaker shop. Size 14, quantity 6. One of them getting shipments. Okay. All right, let's see what's up here. That's hilarious. I just said, hey, if they go on sale even more, then I find them here for 60. Remember, you could use a survey coupon, get these at 50. Man, I'm gonna have to take my kid to the mall. I'm gonna have to see if they got it, because he's gonna have to try them out. I don't think I've ever gotten them suede material. Not too bad on these. Not too bad. Okay. My kid loves Minecraft. And then suede's on sale. Regular suede. Look at this, $40 for these, and these aren't faded. There's so many spots where they put this next to the sun. They're all faded as hell. Like, these ain't bad. And then even the all black with the speckle, like whatever that's called. The splatter paint. Okay. And then the Galaxy one's not on sale. I don't even know if that's a thing, but those not on sale. Dude got all the MB ones here. All 3 colorways. The 3 newest colorways. Okay. There we go. $1.20. They're not too shabby. I don't know. Like, everybody's going crazy over these MB1s. I think they look alright. Maybe I should have gotten the Rick and Morty ones, I think, but they're not too bad. I did get my hands on the Rick and Mortys, but like, I wasn't a huge fan of them. I'd rather give them to someone who really wanted them. Gave it to the homie for retail, so it's all good. Got some Crocs on sale now. You know, when Crocs are going on sale, you know, things are slowing down big time. But yeah, we've been talking about it on this channel for a long time, so y'all shouldn't be surprised, right? Air Max Plus right there. Got a few on sale. And 270s. Okay. Then Air Max 97s on sale too. Not the craziest sale, because these are what, 170, 180, 180, 80, 185, my bad. And these normally 175, so $25 off. Slight sales. I have a feeling they're gonna continue to fall. And then these have been out for quite some time. $100 for these, okay. Normally 150, 160 now. 160, okay. And then every LeBron on sale. Look, every LeBron. Wow. Oh, even that one right there. But yeah, 130 for those, and then wow, 150 for the rest. Normally $2 for all those. And then yeah, if anybody needs this, okay, $85 for that. Holy crap. Oh, 220. Oh, okay. I have till 230. Okay. Got a few more minutes. Vapor Max on sale. When Vapor Max on sale, that just shows you how slow things are, because Vapor Max always sold out, never went on sale. All right, got stuff on sale. This is the women's section right here. And then of course Dunks, right? Seeing Dunks at different spots. I don't know.